Need a solution to keep your Odoo SaaS Kit data safe and sound, facing uncertainty with your data backup process? But fear not. Hi, I am Nishtha, introducing the all-new backup feature designed to give you a peace of mind and control over your data. With Odoo SaaS Kit Backup, clients have full control over their backup process. They can customize the backup cycles to suit their needs, whether it's daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. Once initiated, the backups are conveniently displayed on the contract portal pages for an easy access. Need to retrieve a backup? Clients can effortlessly download the backup files from the portal. But that's not all. Admin can manage the database backup retention from the backend, automatically deleting the older backup files to keep storage organized while ensuring access for necessary backups. Now let's dive into the workflow. But before that, make sure to subscribe to our channel and tap the notification bell to stay updated with the latest content. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. So here, as you can see, we are on the Odoo backend panel, and with the help of email and the password, we're going to log in. Click on login. Now we'll check as a customer that how we can create a backup process. So for that, we'll navigate towards the website option from there and we'll click on my account. By scrolling down, you can see the option of SaaS contracts. Here you can check the list of the contracts which you have purchased earlier. So here we'll click on this contract option, and then from there you can check the details of your contract, and the next option you can see the backup option is there. Click on this backup option. After clicking on that, you can see the option of create backup processes there. Click on this. Then you have to choose the backup frequency, backup starting date and time, enable retention, backup retention count. It has been enabled from the admin end only, and you have to just add these options like frequency and date and time, and then you have to click on this submit. Once you click on this submit, the backup process will automatically going to start. So now we'll check how we can create a backup process as an admin. So now we're going to log in as an admin. So for that, we have to enter the email and the password and click on login. Now here we have to click on this SaaS option. After that, we'll choose live contracts. Here we can check the list of the live contracts and we'll open any of the contract from there. Now we'll navigate towards this client option. Then you can see the option of create backup processes there. Just click on this, and here you have to write down the details like starting date and end time. Then backup location, backup remote server you have to choose. You have to enter the backup retention which was there and the customer end as well. So you have to enter that particular number of days here itself, and then click on this create option. The backup has been created. Now we'll show you another option. So for that, we'll navigate towards the home menu, and here we have this backup operations. So from here you can check the backup which you have taken earlier. You can check the list of the backup is there, and for creating a new one from here you can click on this new option. You have to enter these details like backup instance, that is self or SaaS client, frequency cycle you have to choose, backup starting time, database name, backup format, backup location, storage path, drop old backups. If you want, you can enable this checkbox. And if you choose SaaS client, so for that you have to choose the linked client. That means which client you want to create a backup for. And in case you are choosing the self, so you don't have to choose the client. You can just enter these details and can click on this create option or confirm option and can make a backup process from there. So like this way you can create a backup process from the customer end and from the admin end as well. So why wait? Secure your data with Odoo SaaS Kit Backup today. Found the video helpful? Do press the like button and share your views in the comment section below. Got a questions or need help? Feel free to contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. See you all in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.